Hello, I apologize for the lack of videos recently, but as you can tell, I've been tinkering around with a few stuff. It's currently 140, yeah, 140. Sorry, I'm tired, so it's kind of hard to tell the time, but I was finally able to test out my Gentex speaker by getting the stereo hooked up to it. I spent the last half hour figuring out how to get rid of the 60 hertz ground interference, and I figured out that if I alligator clip the negative lead of the audio input to the and wire it to the case of the grounded case, it'll get rid of that 60 hertz. So that is awesome.
Do not run. Do not run.
I have a simplex message loaded up on my computer. Here's the simplex code 3 from the 4003 panel, and then here's the voice evacuation message, slightly modified. I used a plugin on here to remove some of the background noise that was present in the recording when I first got it, and then I removed the do not use the elevators portion of the message because my house does not have an elevator, obviously. Now I can play whatever I want. Let's see. I can play this. I was playing this on my phone while I was testing it out, and it's awesome. I think we're already in Walmart. Yeah, it gets really loud. It is currently set on the 25 volt 4 watt setting, I think, if I could see it. Yeah, the 25 volt 4 watt setting, and it's working pretty nicely. For those of you interested, the model number is the SSPK 24 CLPR. This is the Sealink mount version. Okay, so I guess I should probably explain this setup. So I have this thing, the aux cord I got from the dollar store, and then I have the ground lead hooked up to the ground on the V-aux. I don't know what V stands for, auxiliary input. And then I also have the ground hooked up to the case to remove the interference. And then I have the left channel, no, I have the right channel hooked up to the right channel positive line in. And then I have the speaker hooked up to the main right channel, and it works. I'd be careful with how high you set the volume, because it might actually apply too much voltage to the speaker, which would most likely blow it. So I'd be careful about that. So yeah, I thought this was just a video I would share. I am not liable if you guys blow your stuff up doing this. This is just a little thing I set up, but you can try it if you want. It's not my fault if you blow anything up. Alright, have a good evening or morning, and thanks for watching. See ya.